Alrighty folks, today we got a 2001 model TEREX TA27 Cummins 8.3 liter turbo diesel power shift transmission, 27-yard bed, got 4 brand new tires and 2 like new tires. Truck has been working, just came off the job. Air brakes, showing 4,600 hours on the dash. If you're interested in this truck, you can come check it out here at 13601 Highway 45 North, Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, southern-equipment-llc.com. We sure appreciate y'all watching our videos, and we look forward to you coming to see us. In the next video, I'll raise the bed up, dump it down, and we'll do another video of driving it.